Hello, I'm your guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. Today our recipe is stir-fry salted fish bean sprout.
I didn't know I was telling a lie. It's been a long day for sure. How could I resist your smile? Can we move on as before?
First, boil some water and blanch the bean sprouts.
But it won't do us any good. Will you bet if you get the chance? I know I surely would. When you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu. So come back soon, you are my missing part. I know that you'll be you. 'Cause you're my sweetheart.
Add in the shredded carrots,
I feel the sparks takes me higher, sweetheart. Let me be close to you forever, never, darling. You're my sweetheart.
then add in the butter mushrooms and the fish cakes.
I will stay just to feel your heart pumping next to mine. Do you feel that I'm your missing part? That you're finally right. You got me out of this feverish dream. You are holding my hand. I have no clue, don't know what.
It is ready when the color of the bean sprouts changes to slightly translucent. Scoop all the ingredients up and then we drain it.
Feels like a deja vu. I know for sure you are my missing part.
On a dry pan, put in the ginger slices. Then drip some sesame oil onto the pan to coat it.
When you're around, I feel the sparks takes me higher, sweetheart. Let me be close to you forever, never, darling.
Drizzle in the cooking oil.
You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. Sweetheart.
Add in the salted fish and then the garlic. Stir fry till golden brown.
I didn't know I was telling a lie. It's been a long day for sure. How could I resist your smile?
Add in the light soy sauce, some water, and then some brown sugar.
But it won't do us any good. Will you bet if you get the chance? I know I surely would.
Add in the bean sprouts, carrots, butter mushrooms, and the fish cake into the sauce that we just prepared. Add in some shredded chilies. Stir and fry them all together.
'Cause you're my sweetheart. When you're
Once the salted fish and the garlic are mixed well with the vegetable, it is done.
I will stay just to feel your heart pumping next to mine.
Garnish the dish with some spring onions.
Do you feel that I'm your missing part?
If you enjoy what I've just shown you, do give me a thumbs up and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and on my comments tell me what you think of this recipe. Also, do share with me recipes similar to this and I'll be happy to learn from you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.